everyone, my name is Amber McDonald.
And my name is Samantha Soto, and we are both members of the Scorpion Spirit Squad at Nevada State University.
Today, we are here to tell you about Giving Tuesday and how you can make a positive impact for all of our incredible students on Camden.
Giving Tuesday is a global day of generosity and takes place on Tuesday, November 28th.
Exactly. It's a day to celebrate giving back and supporting causes that matter to you.
At Nevada State, our mission is to serve the community as an educational resource for all seeking to create not only a better life for themselves, but for generations to come.
Programs like Napatla, Sankofa, and Scorpion Spirit, along with so many others, pride themselves on being able to not only meet this mission, but serve as a resource to allow students to find their communities while on Camden.
With the continued support of our incredible donors and leaders in the Southern Nevada community, your donations help us to continually offer these programs to ensure student success both in and outside of the classroom.
This Giving Tuesday, we ask that you continue to support so many of these impactful programs by donating to the Nevada State University Foundation at NevadaState.edu/giving.
You can also spread the word on social media by sharing with your family and friends. Use hashtag Giving Tuesday and tag Nevada State across all social media platforms at NevadaState.edu.
Thank you so much for your continued support.
We are thankful for all the members of our Nevada State community.
And remember,
Stakers up!